guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the September Bellabox, so let's get into it. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain in the video, but you know, it is what it is. This box does have a little bit of weight to it, so I wonder what's inside. That's a nice card. What is this? This is not on my card. Okay, sure. I will. Oh, okay, so it's a bonus. These are Ocean Spray Craisins. I love that that's a bonus. That is awesome. And there's 2 packets. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for that, Bellabox. Alrighty, so what do we have here? We have a chlorine product. I do like chlorine products. This is a Chlorine Shampoo. This is just a sample, but the 200ml full size is $14.99. And the 400ml full size is $19.99 at Chemist Warehouse and Adore Beauty. For 50 years, Klorane has been using simple, concrete actions to create respectful products that benefit everyone. Using carefully selected botanical active ingredients that target specific hair needs, Klorane delivers results that you can see and feel, making every day a good hair day. You will receive, and then there's a bunch of products. So I got the Chamomile shampoo. So yeah, that's a great product. Hopefully we don't receive the conditioner in a later date, because I seem to use them before they send me the remainder of the product. So if that's all it is, that's still a great product, and I will definitely chuck that one in my shower. We have a Dermal Therapy Lip Balm. This is a pretty good brand actually for lip balms. So this one is full size and it's $6.49 at Chemist Warehouse and other leading pharmacies. So the pharmacy I work in does have the Dermal Therapy Lip Balm, but it's not this Pawpaw one. They just have like the normal one. Australia's #1 lip balm, now enriched with Pawpaw. This new beauty must-have has been formulated to soothe and hydrate severely dry, chapped lips, packed with fermented pawpaw and papaya seed oil that is highly moisturizing and soothing. If you love it as much as we think you will, please vote as Beauty Heaven's 2021 Best Lip Balm. I am a Burt's Bees girl, true and true, but I'll definitely give this one a go. But yeah, I didn't realize they had brought out a new Pawpaw version of the Dermal Lip Balm. So yeah, I'm keen to give it a go. What is this big boy here? This looks fancy. I've not seen something like this before. This is the 11 Pearl Sunscreen Lotion. This one is full size and it retails for $24.95 at Priceline and Pharmacy Online and 11pearls.com.au. This premium sunscreen is formulated for daily protection against the sun. Its dry touch texture is perfect for daily use, and its lightweight formula. It protects against the broad spectrum of UV radiation. The addition of aloe vera and vitamin E provides an extra layer of moisturization to further protect the skin from drying out during the day. So that actually sounds really nice. I would love to give it a go. Probably save it for, you know, when it's not raining outside. But yeah, I love that it says that it's got a lot of moisturizing properties, so that definitely makes me more likely to want to use it. So yeah, that sounds really good. It does expire July next year, so definitely got to get to it and start using it. We have some lashes. I absolutely love that they put these in the box. These are the Ayalua Lashes. They're full size and retail for $19.99 at Priceline. Be ready for your moment in the spotlight with Eylure. The Eylure and Chloe Morello collaboration features 3 lashes inspired by Chloe's Italian heritage. The high glamour of Capri, the effortless style of Milan, and the laid-back nature of Positano. Each pair is handmade, reusable up to 5 wears, includes latex-free glue that lasts up to 18 hours. So there's a few different ones that we were able to get. This one, what one is this? This is the Positano, so it's like a 3/4 lash, so it's not like a full length lash, so it kind of gives a cat eye effect. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I think it's a great product for Bellabox to be receiving in the, like, to be putting in the box. Like, I know they've put lashes before, but Ayalua Lashes are very good quality, so I think that's a great brand to put in the box as well. So, and I love Chloe Morello, so it makes it even better. So I really can't wait to try these out. We have another bonus sample. So we've got the Craisins and we've got this bonus. Thank you so much, Bellabox, for bringing back the samples. This is exactly what I wanted to see come from Bellabox. So this is the Innisfree Volcanic Calming Pore Clay Mask. Can't wait to give it a go. And yeah, that is really great. Yeah, I'm so excited to give that one a go. And we also have an eyeliner. This is the Doucce, I have no idea how to say it. The Doucce Ultra Precision Eyeliner. This one's full size and it retails for $22 at Doucce.com. The Ultimate Precision Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner. This velvety smooth formula glides on smoothly without pulling or tucking, creating an easily blended finish. The semi-matte waterproof formula is perfect for the use in the waterline. Once it sets, it will not smear, flake, or budge. As the tip begins to fade, follow through with metal makeup sharpener to keep the tip sharpened and precise. That looks really cool. Let's see how black it is. Wow, that's pretty bright black, like as soon as you go in with it. So that's really exciting to try. And we also have a like Virgin gift card for like a wine subscription thing. Probably won't use it, but it's great to see them putting other things in besides HelloFresh. So looking at everything we got in the box this month, I think this was an absolutely amazing box. And yeah, so much value for money in the box, so many more full-size products. So yeah, 4 full-size products. That is awesome. We got 2 rounds of like bonuses, so 3 bonus products as well. Like, and I don't have a bad thing to say about any of the products. Like, this is a big thumbs up, Bellabox. You did amazing this month. The only thing I'll say is they always give us sunscreens in summer, and because we are coming into warmer months, I have a feeling that they're going to do it every single month like they did in previous years. So I don't mind receiving a sunscreen, but if we're going to receive one in every box from now on, it's going to get annoying because I've got so much sunscreen already. Like it expires before I can finish it all. So yeah. At the end of the day, this is an amazing box. We've got lashes and eyeliner, lip balm. We've even got food and like a mask sample. Like, this is just a great box. And I really hope that Bellabox continues to include brands like Eylure and stuff like that. So yeah, big thumbs up from me this month. So let me know in the comments, guys, what did you guys get in your box? I'd love to know, did you get something different? Did you get the same products? What did you think about what I got? What did you think about what you got? Yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.